Hello students. So today we will see how to install SQL Server for performing experiment number 1 and 2, which is about the dimensional modeling and performing OLAP operations using SQL Server. So the very first thing that you have to do is on search bar, you simply have to find out SQL Server 2019 downloads. So just click this and it will take you to the website from where you can download. So here you can see the very first website, which is www.microsoft.com, Microsoft.com. This is the website from where you can download SQL Server. So I'll just click this page and it will take you to me to the page from where I can download. If you by mistakenly if you're not getting this page, you can also click here under download sections. It will divert you to the same page. So this is the page where I am, and as you can see, there are a lot of various versions available of SQL Server. So like there are SQL servers on premises or in cloud. So it's for Azure or Azure SQL Edge or for the BI purpose. Right. So what we want is we want a version or a free version or a free edition which is used for the development and testing purpose, which is a developer version. Right? So there is an express version and there is a developer version which we want for our practical. So I'll just click over here. So download now, and it will give me a file which is an executable file, which you can just select a folder where you want to download it. So under my download section, I can simply download this file and click save. Right. So here, if you see, I have created a folder SQL Server so that in that folder itself I have all the files. So in under SQL Server, I'll just click save and it will get saved. I have already downloaded this, so you can see here this file is already available. So I'm not going to save it for you. You have to save this. So you have to click this button and save this file. So now I'll just close this and I'll take you to that part where I have downloaded this file. So this is my download folder. If you see, this is the download folder under which I have this folder, which is SQL Server, in which I have stored this file. So this is SQL 2019 SSEI -dev .exe file which I have just now downloaded. The size of this file is 5808 KB, and now I'm going to just click it. Before that, you can also make a folder. Just create one folder in which you will be later on giving as a path for the installation purpose. So I've already installed. You can see there is an installed ISO version of this. So right now, what you have to do is just whatever file you have just downloaded, you have to double click it. So I'll just double click this. It asks for some permission, say press yes. And here you will be seeing one screen which uh, it gives you a prompt that what kind of installation do you want. So it is asking you to select the installation type. So there are basically three types of installations: basic, custom, and download media. What you have to do is you have to go to the download media. As you can see here, download SQL Server set of files now and install them later on the machine of your choice. So later on, whatever installation you want to perform, it will be done later, right? So this we will be preferring. So I'll be clicking this download media section. Here it asks me that what language I want or which package I want. I will just keep it as it is. I will not change this. So I'll be keep this as by default. And here you can see that it is asking me the location. So as I said, I have selected that folder which I have just created in that where I want to have that download selection. So I'll just try to find out where that folder is. So it is in this. It was in under downloads. You can see that this was the folder which I had created. So under this folder, I want everything to be downloaded. So in this way, you can just click that folder, press OK, and then you can just click here as download. Once you click download, it takes little time for the download part. And once it is done, you will see that I'll just show you this part also. So now you can see it is downloading this. It is downloading the setup. It takes little time, and after the download done is done, you can see that you can see it in the start bar. So pause the recording so that I can just wait till it downloads the entire file. Now you can see that half of the file has already been downloaded, and you can see the size right now it is
40 approximately 700 MB has been downloaded, and this is remaining. So we'll wait for some time. Now, as you can see, it shows that download successful. So whether we want to open the folder or want to close it. So I'll just show you here also in the start, it shows that they have been downloaded the file. They have downloaded SQL Server. So here it is shown as Microsoft SQL Server 2019. Okay, now what exactly we want is we will just close this. Sorry, we will just open the folder, and you can see here it is there because I did not change the part. So now there are two files, one is here and one is there. Okay, let it be. So this is the file which I got. Now what exactly we want is once we are done with this, I'll just close this part. Now, yeah, okay. Now once this is done, so this is what we have already installed, which is SQL Server 90. Now the second thing that we want to install is SQL Server Management Tool. So for that matter, we will first have to go to the installation panel where we will be installing all these things. Okay.